Right, we're going to go back to this problem about the 4 restaurants and their pizza, drink, and salad costs. And what we're going to do is we're going to use it to add in an extra matrix. Okay, so we've got Gina, Vinny, Tony's, and Sal's. We've got pizza, drink, and salad. And what we've done is we've organized their prices into a matrix. We're going to call it matrix R, and you can see it right there. First thing that I am going to do is I'm going to go ahead and identify the dimensions of this matrix. So as you can see, there are 3 rows and 4 columns. So it is a 3 by 4. And as we work through this problem, you're going to notice as we go through here that we're going to display the cost for additional toppings, refills, and salad dressings for each one of them. So at Gina's, you can see that for an additional topping, it's $1.10. For refills of soda, it's $0.25. And then they don't charge anything for extra dressing. Vinny's, Tony's, and Sal's all have their corresponding prices for topping, refills, and extras as well. And we're going to create matrix S to show this information. So the first thing I want to do is I want to make sure that I keep it in the exact same order that was above. And so we have Gina's, Vinny's, Tony's, and Sal's. So I go back up the top and I make sure that Gina's, Vinny's, Tony's, and Sal's are exactly the same. And I'm going to go ahead and keep it in that order. I'm just going to fill out the matrix. So we have a $1.10, $0.25, a 0, $2.50, 0 for refills for Vinny's, $0.25 for extra dressing, $2.25 per extra topping for Tony's, $1.10 for refills, and then $1 for extra dressing at Tony's. And then we go to Sal's, and it's $3 extra for toppings, 50 cents for refills, and then 75 cents for extra dressing. And once again, what we can see here is if we were to label the dimensions, which is always good, I'm going to say that this again is a 3 by 4. And we've taken the toppings, refills, and extra dressings and just put them into a matrix. Now what we're going to do is suppose you plan to go out to dinner and expect to purchase an extra topping, extra dressing, and a refill. Create a matrix that will show the itemized cost. So we're going to take the cost of the pizzas, the drinks, and the dressings, and the salads. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add on the idea that we added a topping, got a refill, and got some extra dressing with it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that matrix R and we're going to add it to matrix S. So you can see it right here. We have matrix R, and we are going to add it to matrix S. Okay, and this is just nice. The first thing we want to do in order to make this happen is we do need to make sure that we check our dimensions. So a 3 by 4 and a 3 by 4. And in order to add matrices, the dimensions must be the same. From there, all we're going to do is we're going to combine the information. Okay, and this actually turns out to be kind of a long chain. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're just going to start adding things together. So I'll write it out. I get $12.16, and we're going to add $1.10. And we've got a $10.10, and we're going to add $2.50. And we just keep working this all the way out, $10.86, and I'm going to add it to $2.25 and $10.65 and $3. Okay, and we just keep working it, and this does take a little bit of time. Okay, but what we do is we just keep lining ourselves up with 0. Okay, and 0.89, and all the individual elements must add with their corresponding elements. So $1.05 goes to 50 cents. And we just keep working all the way down until our entire matrix is covered. So $4.05 plus 0, $3.69 plus 25, $3.89 plus $1, and $3.85 plus 75 cents. Now, once you've got that, notice it is still a 3 by 4. All we're going to do is then just make sure that we accomplish the math. And we're going to go through there and just make sure we have it all added up. So the first one comes out to be $13.16. Underneath that is $1.40, and that is from here. A buck, $4.05 plus 0 is going to be $4.05. And we just keep working it. We start back. 210 plus 250 is $12.60. And then $1.09 plus 0 is $1.09. And then 369 plus 25, we've got $3.94. If you need a calculator or Desmos, keep working it. And then we just go to the next line. 1086 plus 225, $13.11. $1.89 plus 10 cents is 99 cents. And then we have $4.89 for this one. And then 1065 plus $3 is $13.65. And $1.55 for $1.05 plus 50 cents. And then 385 plus 0.75 is going to be $4.60. So as you can see, adding matrices is really pretty simple. We just take each element, corresponding element, and we just add it to the other corresponding element. And that's what we've done here in this table, in that matrix, and as we've displayed here. Now what we have is the cost per item with the extras. So the extra topping or refill or dressing.